So hello guys, good evening all of you. I hope you and your all families are doing fantastic. I am also passing a great time. Today I am here with my brother Mr. Shamim Akhtar, and I am going to ask him some quick questions regarding speaking skills. So what's up, Mr. Shamim?
Good evening. I'm doing well, thank you. What about you?
Yeah, I am also doing fantastic. So I'm going to ask you some questions, and you have to give it quick answer. So my first question is, how did you get your fluency? I can see you speaking like a pro. What is the mystery behind it?
Okay, thank you for asking this question. Actually, the journey of learning my English has started back in 2017 when first time I visited in Lucknow's Ekana International Stadium, where I visited for a match. Like it was a cricket match between India and West Indies. So in that stadium, some foreigners asked me some questions regarding cricket match or regarding the environment of India, but I couldn't answer them, in a proper way. But since that time, I thought that I should learn English and I should be very fluent in terms of speaking English. So since that I started, and still it continues.
Okay, thank you. My second question is, as far as you are concerned, what is the best way to learning speaking skills?
Well, actually, in nowadays, right, there are different types of methods, different type of ways to learn to enhance your, communication skills. Like what I did, first of all, I, prepared some contents, what to say, what not to say. Then I just, recorded myself in front of the camera. I stood in front of the camera and started, speaking like a pro, like a commentators. Then after just recorded this video, I rectify myself where I did errors, where I did mistakes. So this is how you can do as well. But apart from this, you can use some applications, online application, mobile applications like Hello Talks, Omi TV, and another apps. And but at the same time, you can. I'll suggest you to read some newspapers, like what I read in that time. I used to read Indian Express, the Hindu newspaper, in Times of India, as well as some magazines also like Champak. So this is how I just did. You can also learn.
Okay. Thank you. My third question is, why English is so important in today's world?
Okay, this is great question, and this is very, very important question. You can see now it's globalization, right? So English is one of the global languages, right?
Yeah.
In every sector of life, it is widely used. It is hugely used, right? In business, in trade, in communication, in several sector of exchange, right? So in everywhere, whether it be Europe or India or Australia or Canada or any other continent of the India, it is widely used. That is why, in my opinion, it is more important to know, because it is like international language, it's global language, it's business language, it's trade language, it's computer science language, right? So that is why it's very, very necessary to learn.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for asking questions.
Thank you.